Okay. Alright, so today we are looking at this sort of package coming from Playmats.EU that I ordered. It should be containing a Killteam board, a Killteam mat, along with the custom dice tray. And without further ado, let's get opening. Okay, finally we got the extra garbage out of the way. A nice tube that can be used for some terrain, maybe down the line. Okay, and let's see. First things first, the dice pad turned out way better than I expected. To be honest, I was sure all the color settings wouldn't fit, but there you go. Let's give it a test. So this is a custom dice tray they had, and as you can see, I created this Iron Warriors theme to it, and let's see how it looks all set up. You know what? It's not actually too bad. I wish it was bigger, but seems like I got the dimensions right. And that is so much nicer to throw the dice in it because, well, just listen to the alternative. And yeah, that is exactly why I got this dice pad. So here's my favorite way how I use our dice tray. Alternatively, it works really well with just one corner closed or with all the other ones closed and one simply open. Beautiful colors looking in. Very cheap too. And the quality is, well, it's good enough for me. The picture, well, I blame my Photoshop skills for that. But hey, it gets the job done. In fact, I am more than pleased. So I can totally recommend, getting your own custom stuff from them. Let's put that away. And get to the vinyl double-sided Killteam mat. Although looking at that dice pad, or the dice tray I suppose, we'll probably look more into those in future because the neoprene feels really nice. I just wanted the vinyl because it was two-sided, and it has the it has the both sides that I can use for now because I'm a stingy bitch. So yeah, now we have a proper sized Killteam thing to play. The colors are good, and the latex not too bad. And let's see, whenever it starts rolling out itself. No, it actually straightens up pretty well when you put it like so. Looking good. All I now need is some terrain. Okay then, this took far too long to find, but let's set up some example terrain for the video here, yeah. Oh, by the way, the dice that fell on the floor, fucking one, my typical luck. Let's see, eventually I will get around painting all these, so I don't know, let's put something like that over here. And those stairs are broken. Whatever, let's put them still there, like so. Some scatter terrain, and maybe one more corner there, and it would look way better if I actually eventually will have to get around painting these things. I'm too lazy like that. Ta-da! Let's make it more. If you want to know how to build this thing, like a modular thing, I'll put a Link on the screen now, the guy whose guide I followed. But there you have it. So that's my unboxing and some of my unpainted zero budget terrain. Well, not exactly zero budget. I used a hot glue gun for these. So there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.